This is box elder.
See how he is on the fucking road going there.